To assemble your Premium Gable tent, you and another person expand the tent frame. Unfold the canopy and place over the top of the frame. Line up the corners of the canopy using the hook and loop fasteners to secure the canopy to the corners of the frame. To continue expanding the frame, it may be easier to grab the sides of the frame and collapse them together. Go ahead and lock the legs in the top portion of the frame. Lift the tabs on the bottom of the feet in order to slide out the legs from the frame. You can crank the handle at the center of the tent frame in order to gain more height. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of your Premium Gable tent.